Hey, did you know Samburu women are known for wearing traditional handmade accessories? An author once described them to be draped in cloth of cerulean and vermilion, metal anklets blinking under the African sun, forearms wrapped in thick, beaded bracelets like coiled snakes, necks and shoulders buried under cascading necklaces of every color, which the Samburu call emparos, given to women over their lifetimes by their fathers, then suitors, then husbands. Their traditional attire and how they wear them earned them the moniker the Butterfly People. In 1990, 15 Samburu women who became stigmatized in their communities after they were sexually assaulted by British soldiers from a base at nearby Archer's Post started a village and named it Umoja, Swahili for unity. To make money for the community, they sell round beaded necklaces. They then give the money to the village's matriarch, who allocates the amount for food to each family based on the number of children per homestead.